everybody, this is just a quick and easy craft. If you remember making angels as a child, I just want to show you a quick way. Ray Luca Gabriel from Instagram reminded me about this, and I just wanted to make some, and I think I'm going to take it with our kids. So you just take a couple of circles that are the same size. So these are 3-inch circles that I cut out. I have a punch, but you don't have to. You can trace around any size circle that you want. Just want to make sure that the bead you choose for your little head is not too big or too small for the size of your angel. And one, you're just gonna, like I'm playing with it, trying to mold it with a little curve, just like this. And all you do is you're just gonna get a bead and some ribbon. And I suggest about, I'm gonna go over a little bit and say 15 inches, because you're gonna double it. And you just take your bead and you put it through your, with your ribbon, right through that little hole there. And then when you get it through, you want a little tail with it. So you're going to knot it and then double knot it. And not too long of a tail because you don't want to be able to see it, but you definitely want to make sure that your bead is not going to fall off. So I'm double knotting that, right? And then I'm going to pull that down here like this. That's what's going to glue onto my angel. And then I'm just going to knot this here on the top. I don't really feel like that it's going to have any trouble staying there, but I'm just going to push that knot down to the bead. So here you have this right here. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to take your circle. Now these, I said, are 3 inches that I manipulated a little bit to kind of give it that curved edge. And I'm just going to take some hot glue just because it works the easiest. And I'm just going to put this knot here and glue down my tails. Now I will tell you, you can use tacky glue if you want to, but you just don't want children, if you're doing this with your children, getting that hot glue on their fingers. Then what you're going to do is just round this like this to where you don't see. And so then you're going to glue down one side over the other. So I'm just going to put some hot glue here. And these make the cutest little ornaments, or even gift toppers, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to let that set. It's really hot. And let that set, and that makes your little body for your angel. Then you're going to take your next circle and you're going to just fold it in half, and I crease it, and then I just pull it like this forward on the sides for my wings. Then I'm just going to come down the middle with my glue. I mean, it really couldn't be any easier than this. Lay the little angel body on here. And there you go. You have a little angel to hang on your tree or be a present topper for your gifts. So what a cute and easy thing to make. And I hope that you will make some and let me know if you do. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.